There you go, Jose. Are we on?
I think we are.
I think we are, yeah.
Yep, we're on. Ladies and gentlemen, join the Lawnmower Man. He has done all this acres. 2 acres with a trimmer. Jesus, this guy's a monster. All this with a trimmer. Who's the beast? Joey Tompkins is the beast.
Well, you did the rider. You better lie with the rider. Don't lie.
No. Trying to be modest. No, that's not. No. No. They're walking on the railroad all day long. And the monster Joseph Tompkins. How many acres you guys here? 8 acres. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let you guys go. You all be good and God bless. Here's Joseph Tompkins.
Later, Gators.
Perfect.
Great job, Jose.
Thank you, sir. Always a good job.
Yeah, great job. Look at this is what Jose did right here. Great job. I did the hill back there because you don't know me. I'm the king of the hill. Ha! Later, Gators.